Welcome to the library at York County Community College. This short video tutorial will teach you how to use a research database to find magazine, journal, or newspaper articles. Before we get started, if you're doing your research from home, you will need to log into the library website in order to use many of our search tools. Here's how. When you're doing your research from off campus, you will need to log into the library website to use research tools like Credo Reference, streaming video, and the article databases. When you try to search in one of these tools, you will see this screen. Simply type in your student login and your student ID number. This one simple login will give you access to all of our search tools without needing to log in separately for each. If you have any difficulties logging in, please use the online help desk or call the library so we can set up your account. In many of your classes, your instructors will ask you to use magazine, newspaper, and scholarly journal articles in your research projects. You can find these articles by clicking on the Articles tab from the main library webpage or from your custom subject guide. For this tutorial, we'll start from the main library webpage. Here's the Articles tab. On the Articles page, you can see that the YCCC librarians have recommended a database called Ebsco Academic Search Complete. This database has good broad coverage of many subject areas. The articles you find in this research database are full text, free to YCCC students, and they come with properly formatted citations. If you're searching from home, you will be asked to log in when you click Search. You can try to find articles on the internet using Google, but very often they are not full text, not free, and don't come with citations, so we strongly recommend that you use the library's databases. Let's try running a search in Academic Search Complete. Here's where you enter your keyword terms. We'll do a search on dogs. Here's our result list. We found over 44,000 articles. That's too many. If you find too many results, you're going to have to narrow your search. So let's add another keyword to this search box. We'll add pet therapy and see what happens. The search goes down to 111 articles. That's pretty good. You could narrow it down even further if you wanted to by adding another keyword. Now we have only 12 articles to look at. That's a pretty effective search. Now some of these articles are academic journal articles, like this one, but you'll also find newspaper and magazine articles, and the icons on the left will tell you what they are. Periodical means magazine. Newspaper will mean newspaper. You can also narrow your search by using filters on the left-hand side of the page. You can limit to full text, you can limit to scholarly peer-reviewed journals. You can use this slider bar to limit by date, so if your topic is a very timely topic and you need the most recent information, you can ask for only the most recent articles. Let's take a closer look at the third article on this list. You'll see two file formats in this database, HTML full text and PDF full text. This article has both. The PDF may be useful for you to look at because it does have pictures, tables, and charts in place. We'll click into the article, and in this short record you can see all of the bibliographic information, plus a short abstract that summarizes the article. On the right is a toolbar that will allow you to print your article, email it to yourself, save it, and best of all, get the citation for the article. Click the cite link, scroll down through the various citation styles until you find one that is appropriate. In this case, we'll choose MLA, and highlight it for use in your works cited list. The YCCC librarians recommend that you capture your citations now and do your works cited list as you're doing your research. If you're having difficulty using any of our research databases, please visit the library or use the library's online help desk to get assistance. The Ask Us tab will lead you to our online help desk where you can get answers.